Ladies and gentlemen, to kick off Mad TV's Night at the Movies, please welcome recording artists Michael McLeod and Jasmine Wayne.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, thank you, and welcome to Mad TV's movie show, huh?
Well, it's an extravaganza.
Yeah, it sure is, and it's an extravaganza. You know, when we first got the call to come down here and sing a medley of all the songs that we've written.
I got the call.
Okay, right. When we got the call to sing a medley of all the songs that we've written for the movies,
Well,
all of our award-winning.
They asked me.
Okay, yeah, they called you, Jasmine, and they asked for us to sing a medley of all the...
No, they asked for me, and then I asked for you because you're a part of me.
That's sweet, thank you.
And I felt so bad because you were living at the beach.
No, I was not. I did not live...
He was, and not in a house.
Jasmine, can we sing? We're here to sing a medley of all the songs that all the award-winning songs that we've written for the movies. Can you, are you touching, hey, up here. Can you please be a human for 2 seconds? And I know what you're trying to do. Can we sing, please? Hello, Jasmine.
Let's sing.
Love, put the love in my love.
Your love is living my life.
My life is in love.
Love in your life is my life.
I love loving your love.
We love life, living
Hey, we won a couple Oscars for this one. You remember this, Jasmine? You might remember this one at home.